Alright, wanted to do a quick review of this Jeep that we got for our daughter. It's made by Best Choice Products. It's a 12-volt model. Got it on special from Google Express for, what was it, 188 bucks shipped to my doorstep. Did require some assembly, wasn't very bad. Maybe took me a half hour or so, which is to be expected. But it's pretty cool, you know. I didn't want to spend like 400 bucks on a real high-end one, and just wanted something while she was young to cruise around in. And what really sold it is the fact that it had a controller with it. The controller's pretty sweet, so that you can actually remote control everything rather than letting the kid do the work. Our daughter's too young, really, so it's nice to be able to just drive her around and let her enjoy it. So yeah, I'll run through some quick features here, just so you kind of know what you're dealing with if you want to buy it. Basically, the Headlight Works, the taillights work, or I'm sorry, the turn signals work. You can press a button. I'll show that to you here in a moment. Basically, we have a little trunk here, or I'm sorry, a hood that kind of acts as a trunk. You could store some things. Batteries in there, fuses in there, a lot of electrical. You probably don't want to store too much in there. Windshield wipers do not work. Front little fog lights do not work. Doors work, pretty sweet. No magnetic doors. Kind of like a real off-road vehicle, which is cool. These lights up here do not work. Taillights do work. Also a little handle here where you can lift it up and move it around. It's pretty handy. Got a seat belt for the kid. Got a pedal down below. Forward, stop, and reverse. You got a power button here. As you can see, that's kind of cool. It makes a little noise like the engine just started. You can then switch between auxiliary, USB, or a memory card, or even the radio. You can literally go through any channel you want, which is pretty sweet. Here's the light switch. As you can see, the lights are on here. Both those gauges do light up, which is kind of cool. Light switch, I'll go ahead and show you that. It's pretty sweet. And then the tail lights, of course. Let's see here. There is a horn. Guess that's the other button. That's cool. Never knew that you had two different buttons there, but hey, whatever. So yeah, I mean, that's about it. It has little mirrors that are adjustable and stuff, so kid wants to feel like they're actually in a car, they can. Now when it comes to the controller, you basically have 3 speeds. That's slow, medium, and fast. I'll go ahead and just do a quick demo of this. So it does cruise pretty good. I apologize, I don't have another hand to steer with, but at least you get the idea. So you can go left, right. Left, right. You got speed, so you can tell it how fast you want it to go. The P is like an emergency brake. It'll just stop it no matter what, and then you have forward and reverse. Very easy to control. Kid just gets strapped in there right now. She's too young to actually drive, so she just enjoys driving around based on where we tell her to go. But it really is a cool Jeep. I would definitely recommend it to anybody. For 188 bucks, heck, man, you can't beat that. Pretty sweet little setup. But hopefully you enjoy this video, and hopefully it helps you in deciding on whether or not to do this. And actually, what I'll do here, got Daddy's Jeep next to it. I'll show you the box, just so you know what I ordered here. This is what it is. I don't know if that helps you at all. But again, it was on Google, and basically, yeah, came to my door like the next day. I ordered it Black Friday. It came here on Saturday, so pretty amazing. Hopefully you enjoy it. I definitely recommend it. I'd give it like a 5 out of 5 if I could. So let me know if you have any questions. Hope this helps you.